Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn color and star shape. Let's start. Colors. Read and color in the star. Star shape. Red, R-E-D, red, red color. Let's color the star in red color. Red color, R-E-D, red, red color. Orange color, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, orange color. Let's color the star in orange color. Yellow color, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow color. Let's color the star in yellow color, yellow color. Green color, G-R-E-E-N, green. Let's color the star in green color. Blue color, B-L-U-E, blue. Let's color the star in blue color. Blue color, B-L-U-E, blue, blue color. Purple color, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Let's color the star in purple color. Pink color. Let's color the star in pink color. P-I-N-K, pink, pink color. Black, B-L-A-C-K, black. Let's color the star in black color. Gray color. Let's color the star in gray color. G-R-E-Y, gray, gray color. Let's repeat. Red, R-E-D, red, red color. Orange color, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, orange color. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow color. Green, G-R-E-E-N, green, green color. Blue, B-L-U-E, blue, blue color. Purple, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple, purple color. Pink, P-I-N-K, pink, pink color. Black, B-L-A-C-K, black, black color. Gray, G-R-E-Y, gray, gray color. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.